We are gonna be building a JJ statue for today's video.
Yes.
And we will start building it right now cause it's gonna be a long video.
Yes. There's a part 2, huh? Don't forget.
Yeah.
This is only the part 1.
Let's get to building.
Okay.
Go.
Today, guys,
As you can see, we finished the leg
yeah.
of JJ's. Now we gotta build the body.
Yes.
Let's get started. Hindi ko nakakat. Okay. Now let's let me think. What is body?
Today,
Guys, we finished.
It looks
Look
like
at the head. It's
Yeah.
done. Yes, sir. We
beautiful.
even got some traps right here.
Yeah. There's
There.
There's a
We-
part 2.
Yeah, we will build a city in here.
Yeah, we are
In this
now
server.
low battery. So
So,
part 2.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you in part 2.